Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode, we are going to be reviewing the BMW R1100RS, which is a licensed 118 scale diecast motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, what we are looking at today is a 118 scale licensed diecast replica of the BMW R1100RS, which is manufactured by Maisto. And today we are also going to be taking a look at the white variant as well, which is manufactured by Welly. And at first glance, these diecast motorcycles look quite premium and have a good build quality and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic which make them premium looking. These models measure in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weigh in at about 110 grams each. These models also come with trademark paint tabs with standard branding details and also have free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension and a lot more intricate details which makes it a premium collectible which is functional as well. And I'm glad I made a choice to get these variations as I'll be able to add them to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. And with these models you're guaranteed replicas which are built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of these motorcycles. And with that out of the way, now let's place these diecast beauties on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these amazing diecast motorcycle replicas in the description below. And let's begin by taking a look at the 118 scale licensed diecast replica of the BMW R1100RS, which is manufactured by Maisto. And now let's take a look at the 118 scale licensed diecast replica of the BMW R1100RS, which is manufactured by Welly. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these premium diecast motorcycles. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. The BMW R1100RS is a sports tourer motorcycle that was manufactured by BMW Motorrad between 1993 and 2001 and was the first BMW motorcycle to use the new R259 Oilhead boxer engine. The R259 1085cc flat twin engine has a maximum output of 90 horsepower. The engine was named Oilhead as it had air-cooled cylinders but oil-cooled heads. The BMW R1100RS used a frameless design using the engine as a stressed member, an approach used by BMW for all the subsequent Oilhead models except the R1100S. Instead of having conventional telescopic forks, the R1100RS used BMW's own telelever suspension which bolted directly to the engine. And for further information on the BMW R1100RS, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved one these 118 scale diecast models that are featured in today's video, I dropped the best buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on these amazing diecast motorcycles. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting and all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.